Hi everybody, Laura here, and as promised, I am going to share with you what I got at the Bvlgari boutique. So hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And then today I wanted to share with you what I have purchased at the Bvlgari boutique in Las Vegas. So my video uploading has been a little sporadic lately, and I apologize for that. We are going through a major renovation at our house, starting here next week. So the house is in disarray and everything is pretty much packed up. However, we will be headed to Florida, where I will be doing my videos from there. So I'll be excited to show you a little bit around the Venice, Florida area. So my husband and I had an awesome opportunity to go to the Formula One Grand Prix in Las Vegas. We had a really great time and were with a wonderful group of people. Um, and my whole experience as far as the Formula One race there went, I thought it was really great and exciting. And I think the little speed bumps that they had there, no pun intended, talking about the manhole, but I think it actually made the race a little bit more exciting, in my opinion. Overall, I think it went well. Um, maybe not so much for Carlos Sainz, but um, it went well. And of course, Max Verstappen won as usual. So Las Vegas being the mecca, one of the meccas of designer and high-end luxury, you cannot go to Las Vegas and not do at least a little bit of shopping, which we did. We actually went to the crystal shops in Aria, which is a indoor mall dedicated to nothing but high-end designer luxury. So I walked around quite a bit actually, and didn't really see anything that caught my eye. Not that I need any more handbags whatsoever. But we walked around and we finally got to, right before we were about to leave, we passed by Bvlgari. So I said, hey, let's just go in and check out what they have. And so we did. Now, Bvlgari can be one of those shops that can be a little intimidating, especially with all of the beautiful jewelry that they have in there. And well, we all know that designer jewelry is not inexpensive by any stretch of the imagination, but Bvlgari has been known forever for their quality jewelry and the high quality of the stones that they use. Now, we had just flown in that day, and I was still in my flight attire and my flight travel attire, I should say, and I didn't look the greatest. But when we walked in, we were graciously greeted and asked if there was anything they could help us find. And I just said that I was just kind of looking around just to see what I could find. I never imagined that I would actually be getting something from there. But I kept looking, and towards the back of this boutique is where they keep their handbags. So immediately one of the bags there caught my eye. It was a gorgeous Serpenti Forever python bag in gold. And let me tell you, it was a beauty. So guys, without further ado, if you are ready, there she is. gorgeous, gorgeous bag. This is Python, and the magnetic clasp here is done in enamel. Now, the neat thing about this is the chains are all detachable. You can have one strap, you can have two, and it also comes with this, which extends it. So actually, when you put these two together, it becomes a crossbody or shoulder. Or you can take all the straps off the bag and simply use it as a clutch. All of the details on this bag are exquisite. They truly, truly are very detailed, just like their jewelry. So of course, once I found the bag, I asked if they had any of the Serpenti Forever cuff bracelets. And of course they did. They pulled out 3 bracelets. One of them I already have in my collection. And the other one was all gold and the other one had a gold with silver heads on them, the snake heads. So this is the gorgeous, gorgeous bracelet. I actually absolutely love these because one, they just slip on, and made for, I have very, very small wrists, about a 5.5 inch. So these are perfect for me and very comfortable. Now this one is leather. And of course they have the metal heads. So these aren't incredibly expensive. If you are looking for something from Bvlgari, then this is something that may be a little bit more in your price range. I do want to say we had a fantastic sales associate helping us, Lupe. If you are ever going to visit the Bvlgari in Las Vegas, please reach out and ask for Lupe. She is absolutely wonderful. We had our champagne and was looking at one of the rings in the case, but she went and got a ring from the 75th anniversary collection that they had made. This is one of their newer pieces, but she showed me this ring and I absolutely fell in love with it. I didn't think I would be getting it, but I did. And so now the piece de resistance is, I will show you guys. Okay, are you guys ready? Yes. Here it is. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous, what this comes in, absolutely stunning ring. So this beautiful piece, what I love about it is it's all 18 karat rose gold, but it ever so slightly expands. So you can actually wear it on different fingers and it will expand ever so slightly for you. But it is a stunning, stunning ring. I believe there are 89 points in diamonds, and the eyes are onyx, but just an absolute stunning ring. I really do love this. It was not an inexpensive ring. Nothing, nothing of luxury high-end designer jewelry ever is. But I thought about going into Cartier. The only thing about that is I have seen, if I see one more love bracelet, I have seen so many, and I have seen so many of the nail head rings. They're nice, they're pretty, but I really try to get things that are unique and different. And in my opinion, if you ask me who makes better jewelry, I would tell you that it is Bvlgari for sure. The Serpenti collection, of course, is my absolute favorite. Now, so this only makes two of their handbags that I have in my collection as of now. And this is actually the very first um, jewelry that I have gotten from them. And well, no, I take that back because I did get the pre-loved Bvlgari bracelet, which I will show you. I do have that one, but actually having the boutique experience and getting a actual fine jewelry, and I mean by diamonds and gold. This is my very first piece from them, and I think it's just absolutely stunning. Again, we had they were so nice in there. Sometimes you go into a boutique and you can feel uncomfortable, or the associates kind of make you feel a little uncomfortable, or they just follow you around and they really don't want to show you anything. That was not the case at all. I just think that people should sometimes maybe go a little bit outside the box when they're looking for handbags, because it just seems like everybody seems to get the same bags over and over, and everyone's carrying the same bag. And I did notice when I was walking around in the casinos and where we were staying, there were quite a few actually Valentino bags. There was, of course, a ton of the single flap Chanel bags. And of course, there were a ton of Louis Vuitton Neverfulls. You know, those are everywhere. I tend to like to get things that are more unique that people aren't carrying in my collection. And I will probably be very hard pressed to find somebody who's going to have a gold python Bvlgari bag. The other neat thing in there too is that you can actually, if you want to go that far, you can actually custom make your own bag. You can pick out the exotic skin or the leather you want. It doesn't have to be exotic skin. And then you can also pick out the chain. You can pick out which serpent head you want. And then inside the bag will also be your name on the little plaque that they put inside the bags here. There is a little metal plaque inside of here. They will actually put your name on it. It will be literally one of a kind. You create your bag, which I think is really, really cool. So guys, I hope you appreciate my review and my sharing with you my Bvlgari haul. Again, gorgeous, gorgeous pieces. So excited and so happy with them. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you like this video. I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.